Diana Putri.
I am Cik Rahmiati.
I am Armaya Rizky.
I am Nisa.
And I am Tria Aurina. Hello everyone, in this video we will show you about many symbols in Aceh, especially in Acehnese kitchen.
Happy watching!
Aceh is known as Serambi Mekah, the city known for its rich and unique customs and culture. This is also reflected in the unique culinary richness of Aceh, which is favored in various regions. Aceh is an area known for a variety of unique culinary and also an area that cares about the taste and preservation of culinary. The location of Aceh region, which is close to the coast, influences the dominant Aceh cuisine with various processed fish and its distinctive sour and spicy taste. It has own historical value. In the past, the Kingdom of Aceh tended to present food with sour and spicy flavors that were believed to be able to maintain health and treat various types of diseases, so that the taste was inherent down to the present. In this video, we discuss two of Aceh's iconic culinary, namely Asam Keung and Asam U. This is baklimen, a plant which is the same species of starfruit. This plant is commonly found in front of Acehnese houses and is included in symbolic plants because you will usually find this plant in front of Aceh's house. This plant is used to create a sour taste. This is on tumurui, or well known as curry leaves in English. This leaf is used because of its attractive aroma used for cooking. This plant is also symbolic as a plant that is commonly planted in front of Aceh's house. This is cayenne pepper. It is used to create a spicy taste in cooking. Those are the ingredients that used for cooking asam keung, including onion, garlic, red chili, cayenne pepper, asam sunti, starfruit, curry leaves, salt, turmeric powder, coriander, and tuna fish. This is the process of cooking asam keung. First, puree the spices except the curry leaves using bate semupeh. This is a traditional Aceh grinder with a shape such as you see here. This is a very symbolic tool related to Aceh. After the ingredient being fine, cook all the ingredients and fish in a pan made of clay or familiar called as belangang tano, and a typical Aceh spatula called awu, which is a typical Aceh cooking tool. Belangang tano will make the food taste better and has typical taste. Here it is, asam keung. Second menu, asam u. The ingredients that needed are salt, coconut, cayenne pepper, onion, asam sunti, and lemongrass.
Mandung Bang ya. Enggak cekak.
First, dredge the coconut using Aceh's distinctive tool, gelengku. Then, mash all the ingredients using a mortar known as ulo-ulo, which is a traditional tool of Aceh. Could you see the atmosphere in Acehnese kitchen here? As you saw in the video, Acehnese kitchen has traditional tools that symbolize Aceh, such as bate semupe, belangang tano, awu, gelengku, ulo-ulo, and some symbolic plants such as boh limeng and on temurui. If you have any time, come and visit Aceh and let's enjoy the unique culinary. Acehnese people welcome you! Cheerio!
Okay guys, that's all from us. See you